Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a bank account in Chase Bank through the mobile app. So, first of all, go to your App Store or Play Store and type in Chase Bank and download the Chase mobile app. And once you've downloaded it, open the app and then right over here you can see an option named Open an Account. Tap on it. And from here, you'll be given ton of options where you can create a credit card, you can open checking accounts, you can start saving, you can find loans, and ton of different options. But for now, we'll simply tap the second one, which is checking. And from this page, you can create whichever account you like in Chase Bank. So that is how you can open a bank account in Chase Bank from the mobile app. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.